Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use a credit card for cash withdrawal. First, find an ATM displaying your card's network logo, such as Visa or MasterCard. Insert your credit card and input your 4-digit personal identification number, or PIN. Next, select the Cash Advance option from the menu. Finally, enter the amount of cash you need, remembering that there are often daily withdrawal limits, typically a few $100s, like $500. It's crucial to understand the costs involved. You'll typically face a cash advance fee, which is usually around 3 to 5% of the amount you withdraw. For example, a $500 advance might cost you $15 to $25 in fees alone. More importantly, interest starts accruing immediately, with no grace period, unlike regular purchases. These interest rates are often significantly higher than your standard purchase annual percentage rate, sometimes by several percentage points. Be aware that credit cards usually have a daily limit for cash advances, often around $500, which can vary by card. For most cash needs, using a debit card linked to your bank account is a much more cost-effective option, as it avoids these steep fees and immediate interest. If you need a larger sum, exploring a personal loan or utilizing your emergency savings are far more financially sound choices. Reserve cash advances for only the most urgent, unavoidable situations. In summary, a credit card cash advance is an extremely expensive method for obtaining quick cash. Always review your credit card's terms and conditions to understand the specific cash advance fees and the higher interest rates that apply. To minimize the financial impact, aim to repay the advanced amount as swiftly as possible. Ultimately, building a robust emergency fund is the best strategy to avoid ever needing to rely on such costly options in the first place.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.